beauties, welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. So we are back today. I know it's been a little bit since we've had a new video. It's been a hectic few weeks for me, but we are back today. And today I want to do a makeup tutorial because today we have a little event we have to go to. My husband's getting pinned in the military or whatever. Anyways, so I thought I'd do like a makeup tutorial. I don't know what I really want to go for. I'm kind of like feeling like Christmas vibe, but like it's not really Christmas, but it's like December, so I don't really know what I want to go for. So we're just gonna swing it and see what comes up. Right now we're just kind of want to do something quick, but something that looks good, and let's see how it goes. So we're gonna use this little guy, which is the Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust palette, and these little brushes as well. So let's get into it because we don't really have much time. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Check out the latest blog down below. Hopefully there will be a new vlog by the time this video is up. If not, check out the latest blog down below, in the description below as always. And comment down below what you'd like to see soon, and let's get started because like I said, we don't have much time. So we are going to swing it and we're gonna hope for the best. Alright. First and foremost, we're gonna clean off our face because my hair is just not working for me today, so if it's all over the place, I'm sorry. I did brush it, but it's just not going to work for me today. Alright. So I know I can't be the only one. I really love using this. This is the one thing I usually use. And I also use this little guy just to get a little extra of the oomph out of my face because, you know, you never know. It's that season of dry skin and it's horrible. So anyways, this is what I use too. I love Beauties. It's one of my favorite brands. I have Beauties for everything skincare wise. So let's get into it. So we're going to prime my face with this little guy here. And usually I use the Mineral Infused face primer if I don't drop it and kill it. So I usually use this. I usually use this, but I'm almost out and don't have that much in there. So we're going to use this little guy here, and let's get to it, shall we? I just washed my hands, so it should be nothing on my face. I mean my hands. I can't talk today, you guys. Yesterday I was gonna film this in advance, but I wasn't feeling very good, so we're gonna film this today and hope that it turns out good. So hopefully it doesn't croak and die while I'm trying to film this because I don't know if it is even still recording. Welcome to my life. Alright, we're gonna check on that real quick. Alright, we're still good. Like, I hate that, like, because I don't know if it's still recording because my battery is sometimes, my memory card always doesn't want to be my friend, so it is what it is. Foundation time. Usually I use this little guy right here, which I'm almost out and need to get some more, but I usually use the Simply Ageless 3-in-1 and it's number 240. So I'll try to remember to leave stuff down below in the description below that I use. So let's get started, shall we? Okay. Now, I usually do this first sometimes, but sometimes I usually do my eyes first. But I'm not to the point where I just do this first now. So. And my sponge is dirty, I know. I lost my new one. I don't know where it went, so it is what it is. It's probably somewhere in this dang room. Everything seems to disappear. Oh my god, it probably is somewhere around here. But they are pretty dirty, I know. I need to get them cleaned. But I try to, I forget to clean these. I'll clean my brushes all the time, but I always forget to clean these for some reason. Like, come on, you know you're gonna use them. You know they're dirty. Like, what is wrong with you? So we're gonna do our neck too because it is pretty exposed today. And the camera should be good because I checked on it. It had like good files, so it should be fine. I'm blind, so if I miss a spot, I'm sorry. You know, the lighting is not the best in here today, so I hope you guys can see everything. It's kind of dark and glary outside today, so sorry about the lighting. Trust me, I feel you. I can hardly see myself. Sometimes it's good, but other days it really sucks. So we're just gonna roll with the punches here and hope for the best. Okay, I think I got every inch blended really good, hopefully. I'll go later and look at it and like, oh. And usually I use this guy for powder base, and it is the Revlon Color Stay Raw Hair. I've had this forever. I'll go in and, you know, cover it so I don't look like I'm, you know. I was gonna say orange, but that's not the color I was going for. Brown. I guess that's the color I was trying to think of. Hopefully I got every inch of my face. Alright, now we're gonna check on this camera. Alright, should be good. Okay, I hate doing that. I really do. Okay, my hair is just not wanting to cooperate with me today. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go in with, what am I looking for? What am I looking for? It's just one of those days. Well, I'm just losing stuff all day today, aren't I? Oh, there it is. I'm actually going to use this guy right here, which is the Better Than Sex Too Faced Mascara. One of my favorites. I usually use this too, which is the Milk Kush Mascara, commentary of Influencer, which I will leave a link down below if you want to check it out. Okay. I got lots going to it. I usually do this first before my eyeshadow because I suck at doing mascara, so. I'm really good with this one though. That one is just not my friend. Don't judge me for my techniques, okay? I always do about 2 coats usually. So I see some people do 4 and I'm just like, it looks so weird looking. Not to judge those people, but I'm gonna go in and spill everything on the floor because that's what I do. We're gonna dab off this remaining stuff right here. Okay, now that we got that off our face, okay, now we're gonna go in with eyeshadow. That's the word I was trying to think of. Alright, now I don't know what color I'm gonna go with, but seeing as we're thinking about Christmas for some weird reason, we're gonna go in with this right here, which is mystical. And we're going to use this little brush, which is also from Tots. And I can't remember the name, but I think it's also Fairy something. I don't really know. I forget the name after months of having it, so I'm like, oh, what is the name? Alright. Now we're going to go in. Another time to clean my brushes again, guys. Oh yeah. Just spray myself. Stay on brush. I mean water. Why did I say brush? Anyways. Okay. I gotta make sure this is still recording. Don't worry, I'll fix the stuff that looks kind of weird right now, but I'll fix it. Dude, I have no trash bag in my trash can right now, and it's like full of makeup wipes, and you need to put a bag in it. Looks really good though. And then the lighting is terrible right now in here, so like I don't even know. I'm just gonna hope for the best. Alright, so we're gonna go in with a little handy dandy blender here and blend out some of this nasty stuff to make it look a little bit bigger. I don't know why I said nasty, but you know, whatever. Okay, now we're gonna go in with, let's see, this goat, what's that look like? Yeah, let's do this goat. Seeing like we're kind of like going for Christmas vibes, feeling Christmas vibes when I look at that. So we're gonna do a big brush. Well, actually I like this brush because the other brush is annoying my eyes right now, so I need to wash it again. Alright, so we're gonna go in with this pink shade. And we're going to do it again with our finger. And one more time. I usually don't do my bottom eye. I see a lot of people do that, but me, if it gets in my eye, it'll annoy my contacts, so I can't do that part. That's why I'm always trying to make sure it's not near my eyeball. Okay, I gotta make sure this is still recording, so give me a minute. Alright, we got 4 minutes, you guys. So 4 minutes before this dies. Alright. Actually, kind of thinking about putting a little bit of. I don't know. I kind of like it like it is. Okay, we're gonna go with it because we don't have that much time. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with some highlight. That's what I was trying to think of. I was gonna do glitter, but the palette's probably on here. You know what? We are gonna go in with this little guy here. Why not? Right? And my ring is just not want to cover up everything today. Okay. And we're gonna go in with, seeing as like we're thinking about Christmas and warm vibes, and I don't know, I just want to be warm because it's cold outside right now. And my noses are really itchy right now. And I have stuff in my eyebrows. I'm gonna have to work that out. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go in with Regal. I think that's how you say it. And we're gonna pick up this guy. My hair is just in my way today. Sometimes I like to mix the two. Like, usually I mix the two highlights. Today I'm thinking about just doing one thing of, and now we're going to go in with, make sure it's, the highlight is popping. Alright, we're going to do a little bit more because it's not as popping as I was wanting. My hair's probably got some glitter in it now. Probably does. Okay, now we're going to go in with, make sure this is still recording. Okay, we got 2 minutes, you guys. Alright, we gotta hurry this up before this camera dies. Alright, we're gonna go in with some blush, and you just look at right here. And it's number 100, and it's Clean Glow. It's from CoverGirl. Okay. Yeah, when I say much time, I mean the camera, because like the camera, like. Alright. Now we're gonna take one of these little guys and get this stuff out of my eyebrows. I don't want stuff out of my eyebrows. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick Christmas vibe type of makeup tutorial. Hope you guys have a great day. Here is a close up. Hope you guys see it. Okay. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys have a great day. See all the stuff down below, interesting as always. Latest vlog, all my social media down below as always. Hope you guys have a great day. That's all. XOXO. See you guys next time. And I think I had fun with this. Anyways, bye bye. Oh, and also subscribe if you haven't down below, and also subscribe somewhere in this area. I don't know where it's at. Latest video over here, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. XOXO. That's all. Bye.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas,